So, number 3, leadership is 3D leadership is about did leadership. So, ano yung ginagawa mo? What are you doing? So, dapat makita natin na if we want to lead the field, we need to understand that we need to do something. So, okay. So, number 1, yung nga, we need to understand before we can do or before we can have, we need to do something. So, ang pagbabago talaga may kalakip na action. So, like faith. Faith without action is dead. So, kailangan makita natin na if we really understand that we are leader or we need to understand that we need to lead the field, we need to do something. Ano yung ginagawa mo? So, are we really serving people? Are we really doing something? Are we really innovating? Are we really making creativity or doing creativity on the things God put us? Especially in this generation, ang daming innovation, ang daming mga paraan